A bit more methane did the job. Look at that baby go. The little engine that said, oh, yes I can, yes I can. Isn't that awesome? Pretty good going for such a tiny little engine. This is that kit I put together years ago, and it's one of my best steam engines. I reckon it's a magic little kit, this one. Makes all the right noises, looks fantastic. Yeah, if they had a bigger boiler, it'd be even better, you know. All the steam buffs will be liking this, I reckon. The steam-powered fan. Awesome. I've still got to finish it off. I'm just messing around with it at the moment. But that's what it will be like. And, you know, I've only got 2 screws holding it together at the moment, but yeah, I'll fire up the spark plug engine and we'll show you that one. Actually, it's spinning it over quite well. It's running all right. Amazing, really. Alright, we'll fire up the spark plug engine and that'll do for now. Thought it might give you a bit of a thrill. Alright, let's try some Xanadu Motive power. How's that grab you? Runs like a top. I could turn it around and show you the other side, but this side you see all the whizzy bits, so that's all you want. And yeah, speed her up with a fun Harley. Oh, it's like a hurricane. It's a hurricane. Okay. That's enough mucking around for now. Next job will be to stain the wood and give the metal a coat of paint. But it's all staying in place, you know, it's pretty good. There's no vibration, you know. I mean, the way I build stuff, I generally get the vibration levels pretty low, and you know, the final product's only as good as you can make it, I suppose. Alright, that's it. I'll see you next time. Cheers.